Hi guys, it's Wednesday and it's day 10 for our chicks in the incubator. Today, the beak is beginning to harden. So it's already started to develop, but up until this point it's been very soft. So it's starting to get a little bit harder. And I'm going to read to you guys this book called What's in That Egg? And this is about eggs and different types of eggs. Peyton, Peyton, look at Mommy. Mommy's recording. We know that all birds lay eggs and they start their life cycle as an egg. But they're not the only animal group that starts as an egg. Let's take a look and learn more about eggs. Come a little bit closer to you. Let's get the window glare out. How's that? Okay, what's in that egg? Peyton. Hey, what's in that egg? Hello? Mom? Is it a turtle? Turtles are reptiles. Reptile eggs can be hard, but are sometimes soft and leathery. Some reptiles bury their eggs. Okay, so a reptile is another animal group. Okay, just like mammals, birds, fish, there's the reptile group. A frog? Frogs are amphibians, another animal group. Amphibian eggs are like jelly. Some are laid in strings, others in bunches. They need to stay wet and are laid in ponds or streams or even in leaves that hold water. So there's some frog eggs. You'll notice they look clear and you can see a black dot inside. Fish. So this is another animal group, the fish group. Fish lay lots of eggs at a time. Most let their eggs scatter in the water. Some freshwater fish make nests underwater in the sand. Ooh, a butterfly. A butterfly is an insect, another animal group. Most insects are tiny. Insect eggs are teeny tiny and hidden. So there's butterfly eggs laid on a leaf. Or a swan. A swan is a bird. We know all birds lay eggs. A swan is a bird. Birds lay hard-shelled eggs in nests to keep them safe. Shh, girls. One thing's for sure, though. An egg seems so small, but there's a whole world inside. It's a home, after all. Home sweet home. Some babies live in eggs for only a few days. Some live there for months. So this is the egg labeled. So this yellow part that you're probably very familiar with is the yolk. The outside, of course, is the shell, and this other area kind of in between is called albumin. Inside the egg, a baby floats. Albumin makes up most of the egg. It allows the growing baby to float and not get bumped around. Okay, this is kind of what we're seeing in our eggs right now. We're at this stage. Growing in size while eating the yolk. The yolk is the food that the baby eats to make it big and strong. Getting bigger and stronger until suddenly, tap, tap, tap. Ready or not, that egg's going to hatch. Most baby animals tap open hard-shelled eggs. Eggs can be pink or green or blue. Some eggs can even be see-through. So here are pink eggs, and they are labeled as apple snail eggs. Green eggs, this is a cassowary bird egg. This blue egg, you've probably seen a robin before. Did you know that they lay these beautiful blue eggs? What could this be? Okay, this is a glass frog egg. Okay, clear, like we saw on the first page. Long and skinny, pointed or round, all different shapes of eggs can be found. So these are snake eggs. Look at how long they are. We have a quail egg, and look at the turtle eggs. That would be sand on them. Guillemot birds lay their eggs on narrow rock ledges. If the eggs were round, they might roll off the egg. the ledge, pardon me, their shape keeps them safe. So they're that shape for a very special reason. Bigger than a cantaloupe or too small to see. We might have learned this in one of our other videos if you saw, but ostrich eggs are the largest of all the eggs. They can be as big as 7.5 inches tall. Wow. Hummingbirds, which are the smallest type of birds, naturally lay the smallest bird eggs. They're only about 1/2 inch long. There may just be 1 or 2 or 3,000. So an emperor penguin only lays 1, while clownfish eggs are laid in thousands. The eggs an animal lays at one time is called a clutch. A baby is born. Do you know what kind? The egg might tell what's growing inside. So these types of questions might help you. Is it hard? Is it soft and leathery? Is it buried? Is it underwater? Is it teeny tiny? Is it in a nest? Is it long and skinny? Where did everybody go? Happy birthday, alligator. Alligators are reptiles. Surprise! What took you so long? Hi! They have soft and leathery eggs which they bury under leaves or sand. Zigzag through these ideas for more thoughts about life cycles. Okay? Where was your home when you were born? Cut open a hard-boiled egg. The white is the albumin. The yellow is the yolk. Shine a flashlight into an egg. You can see inside. It's called candling. Make yourself a nest. Why don't all animals lay eggs? Mammals don't lay an egg. Okay, so they grow and develop inside their mom's body, and she gives birth to a live animal. Why don't all eggs look the same? When you were a baby, what did you eat to get big and strong? If you had an egg, where would you put it to keep it safe? How do animals know when it's time to hatch? If you were a bird, would you build your nest with... what would you build your nest with to keep your eggs safe? If elephants laid eggs, how big would they be? Roll an egg across the floor and see which way it turns. There we go. See you later, alligator. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope you learned some really great, interesting things about eggs. See you soon.